Brand new Airdrop testnet. We are going to do today's video. All people only layer. They have their one chain. Okay, one chain mean, let's say Ethereum has their one chain. Ethereum has their one chain. Polygon has their one chain. They run everything by their one. So let's say you want to launch a token, and you want to choose network, or which network this token based would be. Okay, so let's say you choose PNB or Ethereum. Okay, so you need to rely on others blockchain for running your token. Okay, so only layer has their one, like Ethereum has their one. So same way, so only layer is going to be massive in the quarter 21 2025. They are going to be launched in mainnet, and before that time we will farm it as much efficiently as possible. So therefore I will encourage you, always do it more. Okay, so let's dive in. Welcome, only layer testnet. So here is I put step by step guide how to you participate as much efficiently as possible. Okay, so here is main link that I provided. Okay, I'm just going through first to last. So here is you need to you can do it just by default. You don't need to do it manually. So cross it. Okay, so number two is take faucet in Sopila. If you don't have, probably 90% people have Sopila faucet inside of your MetaMask. So let's say you done it. Okay, and if you don't have, you can go through this link. Okay, these are link number two, number three for taking faucet. Okay, three way you can take faucet. I already even I put those link inside of this post. Anyhow, and then next is go here for interact, go here for doing the work. And number three, instead of number three, connect wallet and bridge Sopila to only layer. Okay, today we are going to do only layer. It is chain like Aptos, it is chain like Sui, it is chain like Ethereum. They have their one chain. So you probably heard the giant airdrop. Giant is the chain. Okay, they have their native chain. They do. Okay, so same way, this only layer testnet has their native chain, and it is going to be listed pretty soon, quarter one. Until quarter one 2025, it would be going ongoing. Okay, so then number four is swap anything, any amount on there, and number five is add liquidity on there. So I will show you visually in the next section. So first, what you need to do, copy the link, main link, this link, copy it, just tap into here, and you need to paste it into your browser. So here is you need to connect to wallet. Here would be visually connect to wallet. I already connected for a quick video. So I already connected, you will be as well too, and your Sopila would be connected in here. And then what you need to do to click on there, and you need to definitely choose here only layer. Okay, for getting thing done, I'm just doing it. So put your amount and click the review bridge and click the continue for getting it done, and you need to accept all of the terms and condition, and then click the continue and check your definitely MetaMask. Okay, first you need to click on the start for getting our MetaMask notification for permit in MetaMask. Okay, now check MetaMask. In definitely MetaMask get notification because of it is your home, it is you that either you permit it or not to use your browser. Okay, some real quick. So simply confirm. I already confirmed it. Okay, it is bridging. Simply take a little bit time. I'm just upping it up. Click the submit and then back. Okay, so it is bridge confirmed. Now you can back. Okay, So we done breeze. Now we can go next section is swap. Okay, so here is another link I provided. Just tap into here and you can be able to copy it, and you can simply paste it into your any browser. And you need to definitely connect your wallet, because of it is web3 stuff. In web3 stuff you need to connect your wallet. You don't need to log in by your username like Facebook, Twitter, web2. So definitely you need to do connect your MetaMask, because of it is web3 stuff. Okay, so anyhow, here we get our only layer. I did swap this amount, I get it. You definitely will be get it. Okay, so if you don't have Sopila faucet mean nothing worthwhile. It just you can be use it in testnet, just you just test purpose. Okay, it's no value. Okay, but it has value inside of testnet. Anyhow, so simply select your token in the next in order to swap it. So I'm choosing OFI, only finance, the native stuff. So I'm selecting 50%. Okay, let me just see either it is permit or not to getting it done. It is not working. So if you notice that I put my slightly price slightly Ethereum in here, that I breezed before. You see that I breezed on previous section. You already know in the breeze section. So now we are going to do DEX like swap, providing liquidity, this type of stuff. So just manually it would be like this. You need to put this amount according to your balance. Okay, and let's say I want to do this. So now simply click the swap button. Okay, then you need to confirm the swap, and then definitely waiting for confirmation. Swapping, you need to definitely check your MetaMask. Your MetaMask will be get notified by your attempting to swap in the only DeFi platform. And here just you need to permit it, just get it done. So I'm permitting it, I'm using it. Okay, swap exact Ethereum for tokens. So I'm just speed it up in order to done it as much efficiently as possible. So I have this only, so their token would be only. Okay, pretty soon would be hoping would be listed. So transaction submitted, add OFI to wallet, simply click on there, and definitely check your MetaMask, just frequently check it out. Okay, it will be connected. So as simple as that, nothing complicated. I don't know what happened in here. Okay, simply click on this MetaMask, don't do anything wrong. Okay, so add token, and it is added. Okay, so now move into again in here. So here we are done. Now we need to move into the pool section. So in the laptop or PC, if you use, it would be here, but in the phone it is here, if you noticed. So simply click on this pool and add liquidity. Click on there and select token OFI. Definitely would be because of, okay, 25% I'm using. Enable OFI. So again, MetaMask would be notified, and then you need to permit it, because of MetaMask mean you are owner of it, nobody. So therefore it is just you need to confirm either you are doing it or not, this type of stuff. Anyhow, it is approving. So for speed, for getting it done quickly, we are just increase the speed. And now come into here again, enable OFI done. Now click the supply. Okay, click the confirm supply. There visuals, everything is pretty emerging. So again check MetaMask. Probably they said Q1 2025 they will be launch their token. So therefore I will encourage you to doing multiple account. I don't do multiple account. Okay, because of I only want to focus on one account for farming more. Anyhow, you can do it. there's a lot of people make a lot of money doing multiple account inside of the crypto airdrop. Okay, so we are almost done. So if we back our telegram post here, we are done everything. Add liquidity here, everything done, everything done. Now it's time to get it done. So how do you get it done? You know, to definitely check out description box for join inside of our telegram channel. So this is our telegram channel, and here I do share every day year of testnet. Okay, people makes money. It's make me happy as well too. So therefore I will encourage you to join inside of our platform, inside of our army camp. I would say Ranga finance for doing more money, making more money. Okay,